Hello there, this is Ted Hunsaker here with another video. I'm doing some order pickups today. I'm going to be picking up some of these pools that are flying off the shelves and getting sold out at most of the stores across America, across the nation. So I actually was able to find a few pools at some of the stores in my area. At this Target, it's going to be 4 pools, so I'm going to go in there and pick those up. I'm going to try to list them. They sell for about $150. Buy price is $50. So I'm going to see if I can sell them before I even get home. I did pick up 8 of them the other day, and I just sold them overnight and was able to sell them between $140 and $150. So I'm going to go in there and see if I can get them listed and sold before I get home. There is another Target, a couple other Targets I bought them from. I'm still waiting to see if they have them. So I will let you know. By the way, I have my mask on and ready to go inside. Seems like they're requiring you to wear a mask nowadays. Gonna respect the employees and just go get the pools. Okay, so I got the pools. I'm gonna list those things and see how fast they sell. Hopefully they can sell before I get to the next store. I just got an alert that said the next store has 2 of them in Huntington. So I'm gonna list these things and I'm gonna actually see if I can sell them before I can get to the store. Pretty good rank around sub 100. I gotta put them in my dinky ass car. I'm waiting for the frickin' car prices to go down across the nation, or just for the used prices, new prices go down, because it seems like car sales have been slow and they're gonna be forced to like go down. So I'm just waiting to get a nice deal on a nice car. I'm gonna put them in. I'm gonna get going. Okay, so I decided to stop at the Ross and see what it was like. They just opened the Rosses here, and also the Burlington Coat Factories as well. And I was just looking at something to see what was going on the video phone. I thought it was something issues with the recording and something. So I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna see what the Ross is like. It seems like the line was pretty long. I'll actually show you what the line looks like. A lot of Rosses have already opened across the nation, and I'm in California, and we're like one of the last states to have all the Rosses open, and we don't even have the TJ Maxx's and Marshalls open yet. I don't know what's going on there. Maybe they'll open them next week. I'm still waiting for those stores to open. They had some good stuff in there. I'm sure the lines are going to be long too for those stores, because they're all discount stores, and people are looking for bargains, and people are looking to resell and make money, especially during these tough times when like half the country's unemployed. So I'm going to actually go outside, step outside my car, and I'm actually going to show you what it looks like. And I'm probably not going to go inside because I'm not going to wait. I have other pools I'm going to pick up and other places I can go to, like Walmart, Target. We don't have to wait in line, and you can just make money faster. So I'll step out of my car. Okay, here's the Ross. So as you can see, the line goes way the hell back, all the way over there. Yep, it's a long time. Probably take you about maybe an hour, 2 hours to get in, maybe.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Not me. Maybe I'll wait until the lines start getting smaller, but until then I don't think I'm gonna wait 2 hours in line. I'm at the second Target. I'm gonna go pick up the pools, and I'm going to put them in my car, and I'm going to list those on Amazon. I haven't sold any yet, so still waiting for them to sell, the other 4 I got. So I'm going to go inside and pick them up. Hey, so I got the 2 more pools. Nice thing, they gave me a box for it. Awesome. I'm going to put them in my car and going to go to the next Target. Hope you can hear me. I'm wearing a mask right now. Kind of hard to probably hear me when I have a mask on. Okay, so I'm in my car. You can probably hear me better. I don't have the mask on. So I'm going to go over to the last Target that I have the pools at. I got 2 more there, about 20 minutes away. And so far I haven't sold any pools. Maybe it's a slow time, but I'm sure these things will sell because people are looking for pools all across the nation, because they really can't do anything other than social distance and stay at home. So anyways, I'm going to go to the next Target. I am at the last Target. I'm going to pick up those 2 pools, and I am going to come back and I'll probably go somewhere else. I'm going to see if I can go to that there's this restaurant called Noggles, and if you didn't know that Del Taco actually bought them in the late 80s, and they were one of my favorite restaurants when I was growing up, and then they disappeared because Del Taco bought them. They converted them to Del Tacos, so they actually rebirthed the resurrected the Noggles. So I'm gonna actually probably go to one of them and see what it's like. I want to thank Adam the Woo. I don't know if you've seen him on YouTube before, but he's one guy I watch a lot, and he does like he's been doing all these eateries in Southern California where I live, and so I'm actually gonna try one of them out. So I'm gonna go in the store and pick those pools up. Oh, and by the way, I do actually have 2 pools pending in sales right now for $150 and change. So I got 2 sold, and I got like about 6 of them left to sell. So I'm going inside Target right now. Okay, I got the last 2 pools. Going to put them in my car, and I'm gonna head over to eat. So far so good. Okay, so I am at the Noggles. It doesn't look like you can go inside. It says drive-through open, so I don't know if you can go inside and order or have to wait in this drive-through. I'm probably gonna have to eat in the car because I think the inside dining area is closed, as well as probably these tables. You know, there's some tables outside, but they're in the sun. I don't really want to sit in the sun and get skin cancer. So I think the drive-through is the only thing that's open. I'm gonna go up and check. I thought the inside was open. Okay, so I ordered the number 1 from Noggles. It's like 2 tacos, fry, and I got a root beer to drink. So if I can get it out and I can actually show you what I have. You could order inside. You can go to the drive-through, but you can't sit inside due to this new normal situation. I know some of these sit-down restaurants are having like you sit down and for like every other table, like 50% capacity. I don't know how they're going to stay in business if they can't be full capacity. But I think they're glad that they're open, especially those sit-down restaurants that make a lot of money on alcohol. I don't drink, by the way, so it doesn't really affect me. So I'm gonna dig in and eat. I decided to eat in my car because there was an AC, a little air conditioning. I'd be sitting out in the sun. They allow you to sit outside, but it's all in the sun, no shade at all. So I don't really like to get skin cancer. So maybe I'll move the car to where I'm not facing the sun or I'm in the shade. I'm gonna probably just drive around a little bit. Okay, so I have this taco right here that it's part of the order I got. It looks pretty good. So I'm gonna eat in. Nice taco. I actually got 2 of them. Comes with 2 tacos and some fries. So I'm just gonna enjoy it in my car until we get back to normal and start eating inside the fast food place instead of just eating in the car, maybe even in a park. So it's gonna eat up, and I think what I'll do is I'll go to another Target that said they had limited stock. It's on the way home. I have sold 3 of these pools already, so I'm gonna just eat and then go to that Target. All in all, the food seems to be pretty good at Noggles. They had a lot of these Noggles across the nation, I think in the west side of the United States. Del Taco actually bought them in like the late 80s, and they started converting all the restaurants to Del Tacos. So they actually have some pretty good tacos. Somebody actually resurrected the company back in 2015. There's a location in Stanton, Huntington Beach, Fountain Valley, and then Huntington Beach, which is like seasonal. But it's very close to the Fountain Valley one, so you can go to the Fountain Valley one too. All in all, it's pretty dang good. And I'm just gonna finish up eating. The fries are pretty similar to Del Taco too. And so is the red and green sauce stuff. Okay, so I just got done eating. It was a great meal. And I have sold, so far, I've sold 4 pools, 1 pending, and 3 actually officially sold. There is one more Target on the way home that said limited stock, so I'm just gonna stop by and just see if there's any left. There were some other type of pools at Walmart, but I'm just gonna pass on it today, maybe another time, and maybe another time because my car's pretty full of pools right now. Such a dinky car, and I can't wait, and maybe I can find a car that's bigger and I get a good deal on it, because I know people are gonna be desperate to sell their cars. A lot of cars in like repossession. A lot of rental cars out there just sitting in like Dodger Stadium, Angel Stadium. Hence the cap I have on. So I'm gonna go by that Target and see if they have any of those pools. Usually the limited stock has nothing. Okay, so this is my 4th Target I've been to. I was gonna just do an order pickup of some vitamins, and I actually checked to see what kind of pools they have at this one. This is actually one that's like a grocery store one that's pretty small, but a lot of times they'll have good stuff here. So I found this one right here, and then I found 2 of these right here, 2 of those pools right here. I think this one's going for about $150, and I think these 2 are going for $120. I bought them for $40 a piece for all 3, each of them. So I'm probably going to list them and see if I can sell them before I get home. So I just got those 3 pool play toys listed. See if I can sell them before I get home. I have sold 5 of those pools that I picked up at the Target. Those the first one that I was picking up, the 8, 5 of the 8 have been sold. And I'm going to go to one more Target that said they had limited stock. They may not have the pools that I saw, but they may have something else that's good. So I'm going to go there and see if I can find anything, and I'm going to probably go home and unload these pools. My car's getting kind of full. Okay, so I'm at the last Target of the day. I'm going to see if there's anything else left. There's also a Ross next door. I don't know if I want to go in or not. I do have a lot of stuff in the car. In this environment, you really don't want to be leaving stuff in the car for too long. Yeah, I want to make it quick and in and out and get these pools home. Yeah, you definitely don't want to be leaving stuff in the car, especially during these times, hard economic times, because people are looking to steal, and you do want to cover stuff up or put in a box. It's crazy as hell right now in this environment. So I don't know if I'm gonna go into the Ross or not. It doesn't look like there's a line. It may be closed, but I'm gonna go check the Target and see if there's any pools. Okay, so far today I've sold 5 of those rainbow ring inflatable pool sets, and 1 of those dinosaur inflatable play sets, pool play sets. So I still have like 3 of the rainbow, and then 1 of the each other ones that I found at the prior store. So I'm gonna go in this store and see if there's any other pools. Okay, I got 1 more of these pools. It's one of these dinosaur play pools. I was hoping for more, but that was the only one I found, this one. I'm gonna probably head home now, or I'm probably gonna stop at the Home Depot. I'm gonna get some boxes for these things, so when they sell I can ship them out in boxes. So I'm gonna end the video here today. So far I've sold 6 of those rainbow pools, 1 of those dinosaur pools that's pending, and it's all in all been a pretty good day. Over $1,000 in sales so far while in the car picking these things up and listing them. So I gotta go to Home Depot and get some boxes. Please like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Leave your comments below on how you're doing this during this scamdemic or plandemic, whatever you want to call it, and hope you have a great day.